Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, say that in the previous video we discussed the topic simple equations, right? In this video we are going to start the new concept, that is algebraic expressions. Okay, in that algebraic expressions, this is a worksheet 1 problems. Okay, let us see here what is the first problem they given. The sum of m and n. So here word form, sentence form they given, no, just we have to convert this one as numerical form, or if that expression is containing that numbers, then we will call that one as numerical form. Am I right? And here if that expression is containing that, if that sentence is containing that variables, then we will call that one as algebraic form, algebraic expression. Okay, see here m and n, those two are numbers or variables here? Variables only, no? So that's why here we have to frame that algebraic expression. Okay, or algebraic equation, depends on that given sentence, we have to say that. Okay, the sum of m and n multiplied by their difference is equal to the difference of the squares m and n. Okay, what is the meaning of that? See here, the sum of m and n. So here two variables m and n. What are those two variables, ma? M and n. The sum of m and n is multiplied by the difference of m and n. The difference of m and n means m minus n. Okay, m plus n into m minus n, which is equals to here, what they are saying, which is equals to the difference of the squares of m and n. Squares of m and n means square of m. Okay, and the difference they are saying, no, minus the square of n, which is equals to m square minus n square. Am I clear, ma? So here m plus n into m minus n is equals to m square minus n square. Okay, as per this one here, which option is satisfying, ma? M plus n into m minus n, which is equals to m square minus n square. Am I clear? So as per this one here, which option is correct? Option 1 is correct. Okay, yes. Let us see here, second one, what is that? 7 times a taken from 7 times a. Okay, 7 times a taken from 3 times b equal to 5 times the product of c and d. 5 times the product of c and d. So what is the meaning of this one? 7 times a. Times is nothing but multiplication only, no? So 7 times a is taken from, taken is nothing but take away from, which means a difference. Okay, ma? So 7 times a is take away from, what is that? 3 times b. So 3 times of b. Okay, 3b minus 7a, which is equals to here 3 times b equal to 5 times the product of 5 times the product of c and d. Product means again c into d only, no? Okay, ma? Now write here. 3 into b is 3b minus 7 into a is 7a, which is equals to 5 into c into d, which is equals to 5cd, which is equals to 5cd. As per this one, which option is correct, ma? First option, that is 3b minus 7a is equal to 5cd. Here children, you may get the doubt. Here first they given that 7 times a. That's why here first we have to write that 7 times a. Next we have to write that 3b. Okay, that is wrong, ma. Why? Because read the sentence properly. 7 times a take away from or taken from. Okay, from that 3b we are taking 7a. That's why second term we have to write it as 7a. Understand, ma? So 3b minus 7a, which is equals to 5cd. Option 1 is correct here. Okay, yes. Next, third one, when the product of 3x and y square, 3x and y square is added to 5, then the result is z. Then the result means the answer is z. Okay, see here, the product of 3, product means multiplication only, no, ma? So the product of 3x and y square is added to 5. Okay, or else 5 plus is added to the given means a plus b or b plus a, we know that. Okay, while you are adding any two numbers in any order, again you will get the same result. Okay, that's why no problem to write in anyway 5 plus 3xy square or 3xy square plus 5. There is no change in that. Okay, ma. So, which is equals to, the resultant is z. The result is z. Now, simplify this. 3 into x into y square is 3xy square plus 5, which is equals to z. This is the given expression, okay. What they asked as per the sentence, here the expression is 3xy square plus 5 is equals to z. Understand, ma? So, second option is correct here. Next, fourth one say that a raised to the power 3. A raised to the power 3, which means a power 3. A is raised to the power 3 means a multiplied itself by 3 times, then the notation is a cube. Understand, ma? Yes. Which is equals to b raised to the power 5. Which is equals to b raised to the power 5. As per this one, which option is correct, ma? Yes, option 2 is correct. A cube is equals to b power 5. Okay? Yes. Next, 3 times x diminished by the sum of y and twice z. So, before going to that, what is the meaning of diminished? Diminished is nothing but difference. Actually, the meaning of diminished is less. Okay, so we have to take that one as a difference. Okay, ma? Just you have to take the less. Less means here we have to take it as a difference. Difference means we know that subtraction, right? 3 times x diminished by 3 times x is less than by the sum of y and twice z means 2z. Twice z means 2z. Understand, ma? So, this is that required expression. What is that? 3 into x is 3x minus of y plus 2z. Clear? So, as per this one here, which option is correct? Option 3 is correct. Okay? Yes. Next, sixth one, see here. Obtain a formula for each of the following statements. Okay? Square of a whole number. Square of a whole number added to 3 times the whole number equals to 72. So, children, previous they given that one of the variable, but here variable not given, just they are saying that square of a whole number. So, that whole number we can take that any variable, but as per the options here, options in terms of x variable they given. Understand, ma? So, that's why here let the whole number be x. Let the whole number be x. Why? Because in that options they given in terms of x, no? So, that's why. Now, square of a whole number, clear, ma? By the problem or by the sentence, x square, okay, is added to 3 times the whole number, is added to 3 times the whole number. What is the whole number here? X only, no? So, 3 times of x, which is equals to here 72. Which is equals to 72. Understand? As per this one, which option, ma? X square plus 3x is equal to 72. Option 3 is correct here. Okay? Yes. Next is seventh one, see that. A certain number of pencils at 5 rupees each and the same number of pens at 12 rupees each. Cost is 132 rupees. Cost is 132 rupees. So, children, see that a certain number of pencils and the same number of pens also. Okay. See here, let number of pencils is equal to, why? Because those two are having that same number, right? Okay, that's why here number of pencils is equal to number of pens is equal to sum x. Why? Because in that options also they given in terms of x, no? So, that's why here x. Next, Each one is 5 rupees each and the same number of pens at 12 rupees each. Those two also cost is 132 rupees they are saying. Okay. So as per the problem here 5x plus 12x which is equals to here 132. Understand ma? Same number of pens and same number of pencils, and the cost of the pencil is 5 rupees and the cost of the pen is 12 rupees. Now here they are saying that the total cost is 132 they are saying. Okay. Now here the sentence is 5x plus 12x which is equals to 17x. Why? Because those two also like terms only, no? So what about the like terms ma? If the numerical coefficient is different, then also those two terms are having that same variable. Then we will call those two terms are like terms. Okay. So difference and sum, those two possible for that is like terms only. Okay. And multiplication, division, we may perform for that like terms and also for that unlike terms also. Okay. But here addition and subtraction is possible for that only like terms. Addition and subtraction is not possible for that unlike terms. Understand ma? Yes. So 17x is equal to 132. Finally here this is the required equation. So which is correct here? 17x is equal to 132. Okay ma? Yes. Next 8th one. The difference of 1/3 of a number and 1/5 of the same number. The difference of 1/3 of a number and 1/5 of the same number. Before going to that here, let the number be. What is that? Okay, here that number, what is that number? We don't know that. Okay, we don't know that number means in replacement of that number we can take here any variable. Okay, as per the options, which variable we can take here? Yes, by seeing the options here the variable is x. That's why take here x. Okay ma, here there is no any confirmation for that, only we have to take that x, there is no rule for that. Okay, here at the place of x we can take that any variable, any literal we can replace that. Okay, but here as per the options here we are taking that x variable. Understand ma? Yes. Now here what they are saying, the difference of 1/3 of a number, 1/3 of a number, okay, and the difference of 1/3 of a number and 1/5 of a same number, 1/5 of a same number, which is equals to here 14, which is equals to 14. X into 1 is x by 3 minus x into 1 is x by 5. Which is equals to 14. Understand? X by 3 minus x by 5 which is equals to 14. Which option is correct ma here? Yes, option 1 is correct, that is x by 3 minus x by 5 which is equals to 14. Understand? Yes. Next say that what they given here. If a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, find the value, this is find the value of a square plus ab. So here onwards the substitution problems will be there. Okay. Actually what is the expression ma? A square plus AB. Okay. Just a substitution means instead of the variable what value they given, that value just we have to replace. Okay. See that A is equal to 2. 2 square plus A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Clear ma? So 2 square is 4 plus 2 3 is 6. Which is equals to here how much? Which is equals to 10. Okay. Which option is correct ma here? Option 1 is correct, that is 10. Okay. Yes. Next. This is also like the previous only. If A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3, find the value of 2A minus 3B. Okay. Just we have to substitute the values of A and B here. See here A is equals to 2 minus 3 into B is equals to 3 here. B is equal to 3. Okay. Which is equals to here 2 2's 4 minus 3 3 is 9. Which is equals to minus 5. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So which option is correct ma here? Option 3 minus 5 is correct. Okay. Yes. Next 11th one say that if A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Then here a cube minus b cube value we need to find out. So a is equals to 2 cube, minus b is equals to 3 cube. Okay. Now here 2 cube is equals to 8. Okay, and 3 cube, which means multiplied 3 itself by 3 times only, no? So that is 27. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Okay, ma. So which is equals to here 8 minus 27. 8 minus 27, which is equals to minus 19. What is that answer here? Minus 19. But here option not given, no, plus 19 they given, but the answer is minus 19. So as per this one, here we have to go for that none option. Why? Because here plus 19 they given, no ma, but here answer is minus 19. Okay, once again see that a is equal to 2, so 2 cube minus b is equal to 3 cube. 8 minus 27, which is equals to minus 19. Understand? So that's why here that option is not there. So that's why we have to go for that option 4, none of these. Okay ma? Yes.